Preferably if you can keep your spine straight, close your eyes, get inward, pride, so that all our actions will be beneficial to all concerned.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to welcome you all to this installation ceremony. First of all,
Installing officer, Rotarian B. Dr. B. Devdas Rai, the chief guest for today and the installing officer. Assistant Governor, Zone 3, Rotarian PHF, Dr. Ravi Shankar Rao. Zonal Lieutenant of Zone 3, Rotarian Prashant Rai. President, Rotarian Soumya Shetty. And immediate past President, Rotarian Lata Vikram. Senior IPDG, Rotarian Vikram Datta. Senior Rotarians and district leaders. Presidents and secretaries of...
good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is with a deep sense of fulfillment and gratitude that I bid farewell to my role as the president of Rotary Club of Deralakatte. I have had the honor of serving this esteemed club, and I take immense pride in the journey we have shared together. Leading a team of dedicated Rotarians in our mission of service has been both a privilege and source of a great personal joy. Together, we undertook numerous socially impactful programs and projects, touching lives and making a meaningful difference in our community. Our collective efforts were recognized both by the district and the international level, and I'm proud to share that our club has received several prestigious awards, including Rotary Club Excellence Award, 100% TRF contribution, 100% contribution to Polio Plus, and the esteemed Diamond Plus Award too. These achievements were made possible through
requesting IPDG Vikram. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Chairman Project. Club Secretary. As a new president, she's taking in today Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravi. Past President, Rotarian Soumya R. Shetty.
All the office bearers to take the oath of office. Please hold your hands in front and repeat after me. I, please tell your name, having been elected to the post of, mention the post of the, swear in the name of God that I shall serve this club conscientiously and sincerely in all committee work.
Strength, resilience, and extraordinary empathy. Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravi Shankar, Rotarian Dr. Ravi Shankar Rao feeds and cares for stray animals in rural Mangalore every single day, rain or shine, without fail.
Chief guest for today, major donor, RGSR Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai, distinguished Rotarians on the dais and in the audience, dignitaries, friends and family. I consider it as an honor to be the president of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte. It fills me with profound gratitude and a deep sense of purpose. I acknowledge the leadership that has been provided by my predecessors, particularly my immediate president, Rotarian Soumya Shetty, and I look forward to working with my team as well as with all the members of our sister clubs.
involved in our club activities in a more intense manner in the days to come. Professor Dr. P.V. Satyaprasad, sir. Professor Satyaprasad has a PhD in mass communication and journalism. He has over 18 years of academic.
Rai, Zonal Lieutenant to this August gathering. Rotarian Prashant Rai is a BCom graduate, worked as procurement manager for 10 years at Bahrain Defense Force. At present, he is running Supra Lights exclusive.
So I'm not a good speaker. I think post the program I can sing a bit. That's what I can do much. First of all, respected President, Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravishankar, congratulations. And once again, we have our PDG, Rotarian Dr. Devdas Rai here, who's a leader we look upon. And I can't forget Dr. Ravishankar Rao.
Chief Guest and Installing Officer, Major Rai, Zonal Lieutenant, Rotarian Prashant Rai, friends in Rotary, dignitaries on the dais, officers and members of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte, immediate past District Governor Rotarian Vikram Datta, ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense pleasure and pride that I stand before you today, representing our District Governor, Rotarian Ramakrishna PK, and bringing to you his warm greetings and best wishes for the start of this Rotary year. I am honored to be part of this significant occasion, the installation of our incoming President and her team. It is always a moment of renewal, of recommitment, and of renewed energy as we step into another year of service above self. Let me begin by felicitating the outgoing President, Rotarian Soumya R. Shetty, and her dynamic team. Madam, your leadership in the past Rotary year has truly lived up to the ideals and objects of Rotary. Through your meaningful programs and impactful service initiatives, you have made a real difference to the lives of the poor and the needy. Your work resonates deeply with Rotary's vision to create lasting change in our communities and in ourselves. Congratulations, Madam, on a job well done. To the new President, Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravishankar, and your incoming team, my hearty congratulations on assuming office for this new Rotary year 2025-26. As you take on the mantle of leadership, may you be guided by Rotary's enduring values, and may your term be marked by creativity, fellowship, and purposeful service. On behalf of our District Governor and the entire district team, I assure you of our fullest support and guidance throughout this Rotary year. We are one Rotary family, united by a common goal to serve and uplift. Let us embrace this year's journey with the joy of giving, which in its truest sense is God's plenty upon earth. When we give, be it time, be it resources, be it effort, we don't just change the world around us, we transform ourselves. And let that joy guide us, inspire us, and keep us united in our shared mission to do good.
Anniversary wishes. On 19th June, Rotarian Ramachandran Annette Lakshya Rai, celebrated.
Big round of applause. They are celebrating their 25 years, their silver wedding anniversary on July 14th. So let's wish them good luck and many, many more years of togetherness.
Friends, Rotarians all, we have a very special person in our midst this evening. And that person is sitting right in front of us and embodies a huge world of scholarship and practice. Professor Dr. Subramaniam. Professor Subramaniam currently serves as Professor and Head of the Department of Cardiology, Srinivas Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Mukka, Mangalore. After having completed his bachelor's degree in medicine and surgery, Dr. Subramaniam went on to do his MD at Chandigarh and his DNB in cardiology at New Delhi. In a teaching career spanning 25 years, Dr. Subramaniam has taught in Chandigarh, Manipal, New Delhi, and Mangalore. He was Associate Professor at the K.S. Hegde Medical Academy and now serves as Professor and Head of the Department of Cardiology at the Srinivas Institute of Medical Sciences. Dr. Subramaniam is a life member of several professional organizations and is a Fellow of the American College of Cardiology and the European Society of Cardiology. He has authored more than 70 publications in national and international journals. His fields of interest include interventional cardiology, pacemaker implantation, congenital heart disease interventions, and structural heart disease interventions. He has performed over 20,000 interventional procedures to his credit. He was a member and past president of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte, and it is therefore with a sense of privilege that the Rotary Club of Deralakatte would like to confer upon Dr. Subramaniam the honorary membership of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte on this 9th day of July 2025. May I request Dr. B. Devdas Rai to kindly do the honors and induct Dr. Subramaniam as our honorary member. Dr. Subramaniam, would you please come over?
Of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte for the year that was, Rotarian Soumya Shetty. President of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte for the year that is, Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravishankar. Assistant Governor, Zone 3, RI District 3181, 2025-26, Rotarian PHF Dr. Ravi Shankar Rao. Zonal Lieutenant, RI District 3181, Zone 3, 2025-26, Rotarian PHF Prashant Rai. Secretary of the Rotary Club for the year, of course, 2024-25, now she is the president, of course, I addressed her already. Secretary for the year 2025-26, Rotarian PP Lata Vikram. President in waiting, I thought he should have taken it from long time back, but he was busy, but now he has consented. Rotarian Dr. Ravi Ananthan, past district governor, distinguished IPDG, Rotarian multiple Paul Harris Fellow Vikram Datta. My mentor in Rotary, Rotarian BHF B. Shekhar Shetty, and distinguished Rotarians, Anns, Johns, ladies and gentlemen. We have finished the magic of Rotary. Of course, I have won that because today is the, the last day for this of the previous, so the magic of Rotary. It was in the year 1954 that Rotary International, Rotary International was established or rather founded in the year 1905. From 1905 to 1954, Rotary didn't have a theme. The first theme was from President A.J. Baker, develop our resources. From then on, Rotary International presidents have given the world of Rotary different themes. And those themes have been excellent. Those themes have actually directed Rotarians towards a particular direction. Unfortunately or fortunately, the Rotary Board of Directors, specifically the Rotary General Secretary, John Hugo, somehow decided that Rotary must do away with these themes, must do away with the pins of different. Rotary must have a branding like Puma or Adidas, whatever, single. But I think they have failed because you see Unite for Good here. So, I think whoever is the COL representative next time, I would press on him to press for the introduction of the theme again. This theme has been done away, but it's only for 3 years. Next COL can, because see our Rotarians, all of them are, see the Unite for Good, because people want. So that is the failure of the Rotary Board of Directors. You are not, according to the Rotary Board of Directors, no theme, no separate thing, only Rotary. But anyway, I think even Mario Cesar Martins de Camargo, the Rotary International President, of course, I'll tell about the story a little later, for the year 2025-26, at the time of the International Assembly at Orlando, where our governor for the already his assumed office, Rotary Major Donor Ramakrishna had attended, I think he was also somehow, he wanted something like a theme. So he delivered the presidential message, Unite for Good. So actually that's just a message, it's not the theme. But so what did Mario Cesar Martins de Camargo from the Rotary Club of Santa Andre, Sao Paulo, Brazil, RA District 4420, mention in this Unite for Good? Because I think we should, whenever either it's a theme or message, there are a lot of important points in that. So he said, my dear governors-elect, Rotary is a vibrant organization. Rotary is an organization of volunteers who really do good for the world. Rotary is not known for its projects. We may have global grants, or IPDG Vikram Datta had 4 major global grants. We have had many projects. We have had many things, but Rotary is known for its members, the core member. So the first call he gave on February 10th, 2025 was enhance the membership, retain the membership and bring in more. So first point in the Unite for Good message. What was the second point in the Unite for Good message? Innovation. We have to innovate, otherwise we'll be left behind. So innovation in the club models. In fact, he says, my wife was responsible for introducing a satellite club. So there are satellite clubs, there are so many, so you have to innovate, because nowadays, I don't know, we may not have many people, of course today in India still we have, but pilot clubs, satellite clubs, so many things. Innovate on the projects, innovate on the different things. That's the second point in Mario's message. The third thing is continuity. Rotary International believes in continuity. That is why our governor for this year, Rotary Major Ramakrishna, has continued Vikram Datta's projects and added a project. So what he says is, maybe you cannot continue in the same thing, but alignment has to be there. Unless we continue the good work done by our predecessors, Rotary will not progress. So that is the third point in the presidential message. And the fourth point is partnership. He mentions, I was thrilled when one of the partners who were partnering Rotary praised Rotary in an international forum. So what he says is, the best example of Rotary's success in partnership is the polio eradication drive. All of us know that in the year 1985, there were as many as 3.5 lakh polio victims. And when the Rotary International President Edward King went to Philippines, the story is that one girl who was polio afflicted pulled at his pants and asked him, or rather told him, see, I have been afflicted with polio, but I don't want my brother to be afflicted with polio. Do something about it. Edward King came back and spoke to the Rotary Board of Directors. He said, we must do something to eradicate this disease from the world. From 1985 to 1988, nobody helped Rotary. So whenever somebody asks you, what have you done about polio? You are only catering or not. You should tell that more than $2 billion have been spent by Rotary International on the vaccination. It was only in 1988 that Rotary realized its limitations. So the Rotary Board of Directors approached the WHO, they approached the UNICEF, they approached the Centers for Disease Control, and then the various state and central governments, and then the government took it over. Of course, today it's a massive program by the governments. Rotary may be, but the Government of India Gazette mentions very clearly it was Rotary International who started this program. Unfortunately, we have not been able to eradicate polio because of the vaccinators being killed in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Otherwise, polio would have been dead and gone. So that is the number one example of the partnership of Rotary with other organizations. So Mario Caesar said, partners with Lions, partner with other NGOs, partner, then you will be more effective. So these were the 4 key messages: membership, innovation, continuity, partnership. Then finally he says, in this world which is divided very much, Rotarians have to unite for good. He calls them, please unite for good. Now, I think the Rotary Club of Mangalore Midtown people must be there. I was delivering this address there, and a lot of people asked me about Mario Caesar. How? I said, because I heard him in the institute. They asked, a Brazilian, can he speak English? I said, good English. I came home at 9 o'clock and saw Mario Caesar de Camargo has resigned as a Rotary International President. Then a lot of rumors. In fact, my friend Rotary Ritesh Badigal also asked, why? What was the reason? Some people felt that Mario was against the Ukrainian aid. John Hughes was pressing for the Rotary aid to Ukraine, and the board he had opposed. But that was not the reason. People were not knowing why he resigned. Just 20 days before taking charge as a Rotary International President, a Rotary President has resigned. But see our organization, see the strength of the organization. So actually what happened was, Mario Caesar de Camargo was one of the biggest industrialists in Brazil. He had a lot of factories. Unfortunately, the Brazilian government has now leftist. They are anti-establishment. So one factory was closed 10 years back because of the trade union problem, and Mario had closed it. The trade unions were fighting the case. They won the case just a few days before the resignation. And the Brazilian government also was against him. He had to renew his US visa. He had to come to Brazil. The moment he landed in Brazil, his passport was confiscated. That is the reason. He couldn't move. Then they said health and all those things. Now what to do? Everybody, so many people are discussing, what will Rotary International do? We are a very strong organization. We have a good constitution. Initially somebody said the next president, South Korean fellow, is also not well. No. The Rotary Board of Directors met swiftly. They were supposed to meet anyway. All this information I got from KP Nagesh. They met swiftly, and then they assessed, they went through the people who had contested against Mario. One of them had died already. And then came Francisco Arezzo from the Rotary Club of Ragusa, Italy, RI District 2110. So that is Rotary International for you. We believe in continuity, we believe in our strength. Now we have got a president who is there. So that much about the Rotary International message, that is President's message. And then they decided to keep the message. As it is, the vendors were very happy and all the things have come. But the thing is, we are not supposed to, this is only a presidential message. Now coming to the Rotary Club of Deralakatte. I am brimming with happiness to see the progress. A 21-member club. Of course, you will be our president in Rotarian, Dr. Anita Ravishankar has said that she will bring up the membership. A 21-member club with 8 lady members. More than 30%. And for the past 5 years, continuous president secretaries have been ladies. This is remarkable. The club has grown from strength to strength. The club has taken so many projects down the years. But this year was the crowning glory. The Diamond Plus Award. Now that also was introduced this year by our governor. We didn't know that. We thought Platinum Plus is the highest, but Diamond Plus. The Diamond Plus Award is with you. It is the highest award for a club in Rotary International. And then you have got your 100% donor thing. And so many projects which our Rotarian doctor, our secretary mentioned. The Vana, the Nagabana, which is an example of all your activities, and the vitality. But the crowning glory was the organization of Nava Vaibhava. Like Dr. Ravi Shankar mentioned, I would say it was one of the best conferences in the history of 31, 80 and 81. Superbly organized. By, of course, other Rotarians, other clubs also helped out, but the Rotary Club of Deralakatte was the leader. So I had this extreme satisfaction of seeing a leader come up from the Rotary Club of Deralakatte, a leader who will go up much more in Rotary because of his dedication. Rotarian MPHF IPDG Vikram Datta. Very quiet man, but very silent. A fantastic year for the district also. A very good directory, very good district, different programs, much substantial contribution to the foundation. New clubs were chartered, new Rotary clubs were chartered, new intra clubs were chartered, and he has passed a very good district, very healthy district to the governor, present governor. I hope that there are more leaders coming. Of course, already governors, PD Shetty, Rotarian PHF PD Shetty, present assistant governor, Rotarian PHF Dr. Ravi Shankar Rao, coming from the club. I am also happy on other counts. Again, I have told it many times, but I think it should be told again. When I went about the work of trying to start a club, Rotary Club in Deralakatte, I was subject to ridicule by my own colleagues in KS Hegde, including the present dean of KS Hegde. They were all teasing me. They were telling, what, this Devdas Rai, full day Rotary. And Dr. Ananthan was carefully listening. I thought Dr. Ananthan will not join, but he joined. Today, he is the president in waiting. Similarly, Dr. Subramaniam, he also joined. I had a very tough time. Every day, go to that common room where we smoke together, and then everybody pounces on me. Everybody. And they ridicule, they tease Rotary, and all this are happening, but people joined. Ravi Shankar, he was also a charter member. And again, I have told many times that repeating. I pressed, because he had come to me for some treatment, I pressed. Then one fine day he said, we were meeting, before the actual club charter, we were meeting in meeting point. Again, Rotary International also phoned up JP Rai, asking whether they are meeting. Sometimes I was wearing the collar, because Arunachalam Kumar. So he phoned me up. I have gone to the temple, I have broken the coconut, and I am entering Rotary today. So he is there. I was putting a lot of pressure on the Rotary Club of Deralakatte people to bring in lady members. Initially there was a resistance, it's always there. But today, see the ladies, they are outshining the gents. There is Soumya Shetty, there is Lata Vikram, there is Anita Ravi Shankar, there is so many 8 members. So this club has got a very good future. Even if Vikram Datta goes up, Vikram Datta may go up to RI director also. He can rest, he can relax here, because the club will be taken care of by good hands. So now, I have a habit, but I am doing it again. 3 people in the club deserve a standing ovation. First is Rotarian MPHF IPDG Vikram Datta. Number 2 is Rotarian Soumya Shetty. Number 3 is the president of last year. Number 3 is Rotarian Dr. Anita Ravi Shankar. Except these 3, everybody must get up and give them a standing ovation. Thank you. So I wish the Rotary Club of Deralakatte all the very best. Keep it up. You have won the best club award about 3 or 4 times earlier also. K.R. Shetty was the president when you won it. Vikram Datta was the president when in my governorship, when they again won it in the small club category. Rotarian JP Rai was there. You have been in the forefront and one of the most away, and now you have got the Diamond Plus award also. Now, Dr. Anita Shankar, now you cannot rest on your laurels. You already got the Diamond Plus. So somebody was saying you should go to the next level, Prashant. Next level is not there. That's the highest level. The only thing is maybe like Rotary Club of Mangalore City and all, that global excellence in certain things. This is the highest level for a Rotary Club. You've already gone but to that level, but to maintain it. And I'm absolutely sure that you will maintain it. And as the GSR of the club, I am full of pride and full of happiness at the progress of the Rotary Club of Deralakatte. And I would like to thank Dr. Ananthan for so nicely introducing me to the audience. Thank you.
Rotary Chairman, Rotary Action Plan Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, who is the person? IPDG. Vikram Datta. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you to bring this good news from our district governor, Rotarian Ramakrishna PK, who has appointed 6 members of Rotary Club of their. Please come over and collect a sapling from Dr. B. Devdas Rai. Even that is myself as the assistant governor. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Dr. Ravi Shankar Rao, who announced the District Governor's team. Our club...
ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆವಲಿನ ಹೋಗುಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗಾಗಿ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್
the dais. On the special occasion